let's go. Doon na lang tayo magkape. Oh, we can be late. So I'm waiting here for my tour guide. And here at 7-Eleven in Golden History and Culture Park. So that's just right on the top. You will see exit 11, this building right here. Yeah, right here, this building. And then if you saw this, you can wait just here. And I think the bus goes there. So I'll update you later. 7:13 pickup. I have 2 more minutes to wait.
For you, halal food. Okay. Most of the restaurant is chicken. Let's go.
Okay, we just arrived after 1 hour and 15 minutes na drive. We are right here. This is our first stop in our day tour. Morning Garden of Morning Calm. Oh my God! Ako na sa movie, girl. Ako na sa movie. Look. Girl, is this real? Oh my God, ito gusto kong ano. Ito yung gusto kong... Oh, dito. Sumigatin. Ito. It's cold.
This Garden of the Morning Calm in Korea also one of the very famous Korean traditional garden, but this season no flower. No flower. So today you must go where this one. This one is here, 1,000-year-old tree. So one of the highlight. Not 100-year-old tree, 1,000-year-old tree. And this one, many of the K-drama filming it here. More than 200. Korean traditional garden. One to this one, these two places, and another one in this area. And here also central and the main place. This one looks like a Korean traditional or peninsula style. So many of the flower planted here.
Sobrang lamig din kasi ang aga namin dito. So we are here in Garden of the Morning Calm. Right now it's super cold, like, and your girl didn't bundled up. So tiis ganda tayo for today's video, okay? So here, nawala na yung mga ka-tour, but here is our first stop. Maybe bigay sa inyo na map. So right now, because they don't have flower, because it's super cold. Like, I'm super cold right now. Oh my God, with no gloves and everything. Good luck. Okay, so first we're gonna see right here. Okay, let's go. Oh my God, like, pa-snow na siya, B. Okay. Oh, sa Lightning Festival would open on December 6. Wow. Okay. Wow. Ang ganda siguro dito sa December 6. Ay, wala na ako dito noon. May pabalik na tayo. Sa ibang lupalop na tayo noon. Oh my God, it's just so cold. Wow. Super nice. Early in the morning. Wala pa masyadong tao, so snow na siya, B. Ganda. Whoa, take a look at that. Okay. Good morning coffee, but they're still closed, so let's move on. Parang ito ata yung yung centennial tree. Yung parang famous, ito yung pinupuntahan nila. Millennium pala. Oh, mali pa. Ayan. Okay, there you are. Ayan, Millennium Juniper. Ayan yung name. Ang ganda, grabe. Para kang nasa loob na ng cartoons. Alam niyo yun? Mga Teletubbies. It's just super cold. Let me just take a picture here. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the other side. Wow. Oh my God. Basta may mga tao pa tayong nakikita. Goods yun. Kasi po winter na. In a few days, mag-i-snow na sa 90% na siya. So, it's gonna be my first real snow. Cause when I went to Japan, patak-patak lang, Ala. Kaya pala ang gaganda ng skin nila dito. Feeling ko nagko-close lahat ng pores ko. Pati yung mouth ko, malapit na mag-close. I can feel it. Oh my God. Look at this. It's gonna be lit up. Ooh. That's gonna be so fun. Mali-mali ata itong sinusundan natin, ha? Na tao. Huwag ganon. Okay. It's a good spot here. Wow. Tayo. Medyo mahina yung understanding natin, ha. 11:06. So, nasa 6 kami. Alam mo, anong oras na ba? Okay. It's 9:17. We got few more minutes. It's okay. Let's just go around that area. Sundan natin. Wala nang masyadong daan. Ito pa naman yung nilolook forward ko. But since, look, may parang river. Ang cute. Tapos mag-aano ka ng mga rocks. Let me see. Baligtad pa. Yes. Wait, my bags. Hindi nag-workout yung natin. So, ayun. Sinisipon na tayo, besh. Lamig. So, story time lang. Why I'm alone right now? Kasi, ito yung hiniling ko sa husband ko na if it's okay sa birthday ko, I will celebrate by myself. I mean, I wanted, it's not gonna be by myself on, the day of my birthday. I'll visit my family in the Philippines and celebrate it with them, but I wanted to travel by myself. Nakwento ko na to on the previous vlog. And I was supposed to be with my sister right now. I applied for her Korean visa, but unfortunately it got denied even though ship na parang paid ko lahat ng expenses and everything. But since she's a housewife and never traveled before, hindi na-grant yung visa, which is fine. Maybe it's not time for her yet. So, yeah. Wait lang. Tinitingnan nila ako kasi nagsasalita ako mag-isa. Pero nagpapainit lang ako dito sa araw kasi sobrang lamig. Yun lang. After this, magla-lunch daw ng 10 to 11. So, i-enjoy ko muna yung view. Kasi that's why I'm here. Para gumanito lang. Really. That's all I wanted. Ay, sobrang ganda dito. Look, I'm going to enter inside of the, ano yun, yung Windows screensaver? Korean version. Uy, taray. Like, it's just a happy hormones right now. Love it. Do you wanna see? Nagki-crystallize na siya. You see that? Nagki-crystallize na siya. Pa-snow na. You see that? You see? Oh my God, sa Korea pa pala natin matatagpuan ang ating first snow. So, that was exciting. Okay, here it is. Kaya nyo yun, B? Mayroon pa namang iba. Secret Garden. Secret Garden nga ba? Let's see. Current location guide. We're in Millennium Juniper. Punta tayo dito sa Sunken Garden. Tapos punta tayo dito. Dito lang tayo. Ito yung garden. Let's take. We're going here. Meron siyang bunga. Parang papaya, B. Okay, so now let's go to Sunken Garden. Oh, may mga flowers siya before. But they're starting to dry up. Look. Look how cozy is it. Super nice. Says it's road to the rest. Isn't it so pretty? Look at this. Nag-ano na siya. May a little bit snow na siya. Mga first time. Wow. Look at the red leaves. What time is it? 9:46. Let's go. Parang ruins lang siya. Wala na kasi. Wala na kasi. Mga dahon-dahon. Kaya parang in camera, you can't appreciate them much anymore. But in real life, it's still pretty. Okay. Look. Sa mga pupunta sa winter, here. Yan siya. Yes. Ganda niya. Here, bonsai garden. Taasan po natin. Wow! Madulas na. Ito taas-taas. Paano kaya nila pinuntahan yun? Yan mo na nga. Kaya yan.
Five seconds, Saniro.
5 sec. Okay.
5 seconds.
What's this?
Right kick.
Right. Okay. Pwede siya sa isahan din. So, yan. Screenshot nyo na lang. Para mabilis maluto. Ready? Side dish na kasama. Okay, and now we're here at Rail Park. Lang di. Dito pa
distance, tumble, front by.
trolley lang pala to di. May ganito sa amin dati. Napunta pa tayo ng Korea. Wow. Look. We're going down. We're gonna be slow. Woo! Whee! Slow. Ay, first time may mga ganito lang. This is the first tunnel. Wow, may mga ano sila pa palaspas. Oh, laban girl.
Yeah. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stockings there upon the fireplace.
Okay. You don't even want to hold your phone because it's super cold and you might just drop it. Not worth it. So this camera really helped out. And some tripod because you got the grip. Hey. Dun. That's it. Hindi na ako makalakad Hindi na ako makalakad Is the end. Oof. Next is see you Sanami Island.
You want to see the have or not? Okay. Winter Sonata Statue. Because it is Nami Island, also because of this Winter Sonata, this K-drama filming that inside. After that become famous. Because this inside is hotel and the Kingo tree area, but this season already no more Kingo
No
tree.
more.
like this. So no need for inside. Yeah. So until the Winter Sonata Statue and take. Where is our group?
Oh, wow. It's heater. It's heater on the top. Oh, that feels good. Now we are heading to the ferry. Look. There's the ferry. Okay, I saw it. Saw it. Oh. Okay, here first. Okay, here. Of course. They also have the inside if it's too cold for you outside. Whoop. Here. Dapat daw 3:30. Nasa ferry. Nasa nag-aabang na dito. Okay.
아이고 혼자 그렇게.
Oh, there's coffee. Oh, I'll get coffee later. Mamaya na. Say, ay, magkatabi na sila. Hello and kamusta ka? Oh, that's good. Welcome to Nami Island. Wow. Beautiful trees. Oh, and then pagpasok may restroom right there. If you need restroom, right there next to it. They have this. And then what else? Look. Oh, you can ride a bike. Ay, nakalimutan ko. Dapat pala sa Han River na lang. Okay. What is that? Right there. Okay, what else they have here? A cute dog. Bin daming tao. It's a Sunday. Around 1. What? Oh. Ito pala yun. 700 meters lang daw yun. Oh my God. This is it. Sana may natitira pang live sa ibang area. Sa ibang area. Let's go there. Oh, let's go here. Ah, nice. Okay. Marami silang ganto-ganto, yung mga bonsai-bonsai. Ang ganda. B. There's another toilet here. More important kasi malamig, B. Talagang maiihi ka. Let's go. Dito daw sa side na to meron pang trees. Nabasa ko sa TikTok. Nakita ko sa TikTok, I mean. And then, kasi yung ginkgo tree, yung famous ginkgo tree lane, wala na. They're all dead. The leaves are, they're all gone. Oh, naubusan pa ng English. Okay. Okay, let's try here. So we're now heading to the ginkgo tree. Kaso wala na siyang ginkgo. Ano lang tree. Kasi this is like that's the Winter Sonata. Yun yung famous na movie. That's why this Nami Island is very famous right now because of that movie. I guess. I'm not sure though. Yeah. Okay, let's go take a picture here. Oh, this is rare. Okay. Wala na. It's winter time. Ang ganda dito. Look! Aww. Yay! Wow! Ang daming Pinoy again. Nami Island. Ginkgo tree, kaya dito lang sila nagpipicture. Mayroon pang konti. Oh, wait. Let's look up. Yeah, this one has more tree. It's just paglagpas lang ng ginkgo tree. Janggang and Wangga. Maternal love nestled on Nami. The peacocks. Ay basta tapos na. Tapos na yung tour natin for today's video. Babalik na kami dun sa ferry. Call time, it's around 3:02 and then the call time is 3:30. But I have to walk down there, so by that time I still have time to relax, sit down, you know, para hindi ko ma-miss yung ferry at hindi maiwanan. So yeah, pabalik na ako. So yung papunta ko is picture and then, you know, video. Yung pabalik, ano na lang to, time for myself, time para tumunganga. Sarap dito mag-bike. Babalik ako dito with Sophie and Lenny, mga hobby. Kasi ang saya pala dito. Parang walk in the park lang. Tapos, uy, B, asan na tayo? Yun mo ito. Asan? Naligaw pa. Ah, dito. Lumigaw. Kasi sunod-sunod sa mga tao eh. Tayo sumunod ng sunod. You know what? I don't really know where to go. Ay, baka dito na ako dadaan. Okay, so pahabol pala is kapag magtutur kayo, same yung ginawa ko, dapat uy, bakit parang iba to? Uy, ang sarap naman doon. Wait lang. Ano ba yan? Na-distract pa. Nagkukwento eh. Ay, ang saya doon. I wanna try it. Pero wala nang time. Ayan, picture na lang natin. Videohan, I mean. Oh my God. That looks so fun. Ay, that pala ginawa ko yan. Gawin niyo yan dito pag pumunta kayo. If you're not afraid of heights. Yan, dito lang ang tambay ng mga tita, oh. Ng mga ajushi, mga ajuma. Oh my God, this looks so fun. Wow. Wow. Ayun lang, basta kapag pupunta kayo dito, yung sa Garden of Calm, tapos November, tapos sa Nami, dapat maka-rubbish, comfy shoes. Whatever shoes you're comfortable walking kasi walking talaga, B. Walking talaga siya. Yan yung nagbabark, oh. Gusto mo yarn? Takot, B. Pero mukhang masaya. Tapos may park pa siya pang mga kids. Hindi lang pala siya Ginkgo train. Ano rin siya, bike center. Ito yung bike center. Kala ko, bike ka lang. Bike ka pala sa taas. Amazing. Ito siya, oh. Look. Bicycle. Oh, sky bike. Electric triway. Yan siya. Bakit parang wala silang eye drops na tinda dito? Anywhere na convenience store ako tumingin. My eyes are red. They're super dry because of the contact lenses. And I need some eye drops. I forgot mine. Where do I get some eye drops? Oh my god. Is it illegal here or something? Because your girl cannot find any eye drops. Just, ano lang, yung pang cleansing. Well, I'm here to do a haul. Bili naman tayo mga anik-anik. Kasi, may reason ako. Itong bag ko na nabili ko sa Goodwill, remember? 3,000? Day, nasira. Nasira. Sira na. Ayun, sira na. Nawala na yung zipper. Tapos, sobrang bigat kasi ng mga bit-bit ko. So, pati ito, nagkasya dyan lahat. Ito, tapos itong Polaroid, nilagay ko lahat dyan. Tapos mga anik-anik to. Pero, look, bumili ako ng bago. Nag-shopping ako sa Uniqlo, if you know what I mean. So, ayan. Nagbili ako ng bagong bag. You deserve it, girl. Oh, paano natin ito matatanggal? Ito, mas okay siya kasi parang may foam siya. So, hindi siya nayuyupe. Tapos, ano, may mga bullshit sa dito. May mga bullshit sa separate. So, hindi pa kalat-kalat yung mga gamit mo. Ito kasi, parang loose. So, andun lahat sa baba. So, ang hirap palikutin. Ito, may ano siya. May foam, so flat. And organized. Ayun. Alat. What's this? Ayan. So, perfect lang siya. Ito yung mga nakita ko. Korean na kasi ako. Uy! Nag-iba na naman. Iba-iba tayo ng nationality. Ganun. Ito. Nakita ko to kay Gio. Shout out siya kay Gio. And matagal ko na siyang gusto. Hindi ko siya alam kung saan mabibili. Sa Uniqlo ko lang pala siya makikita. Sa men's. Wala nang small. Medium na lang. Laki ko siguro nito sa akin. Let me see. Hindi ko na sinukat eh. Yan. Liliit kasi ng ano nila. B. Sa ano. Small, large ako dito. Small, medium ako doon. Dito, large ako. Large. B, bakit ganun? Okay, wait. Look. Sakto lang. Sakto lang siya, B. Tapos bumili rin ako ng isang small. Kasi nag-iisa na lang siya. So, small. Small ganitong kulay kasi mahilig tayo sa mga ano lang, t-shirt. And this, nakita ko sa mga kids. Oh, so cute. Pero pang sa akin, syempre pang kid size naman tayo. B, ang cute. Ang cute. And the best, this is short. Kala mo ha? Oh. Short siya. Short. Ano mo? And And then, ito, matagal ko na itong hinahanap. Yung white skirt emerald. So, ang ganda pa ng kulay niya, cream. Pang ano rin siya, pang bata. Yan. B. Huwag kang, maano, B. Short din to. Short. Mukha lang skater skirt. But this is shorts. Diba? Sa mga ayaw mag-skirt dyan. Uniqlo. Ay, ang ganda. Tapos, may bulsa pa pala. May bulsa pa. Wow. The best. Natutuwa ako is this bulsa. This has bulsa. Meron. Isa nga lang. Isa lang yung bulsa niya. Pwede na. Hindi. Huwag mo na ipilit. Isa lang. Isa lang yung bulsa niya. But, I'm super proud. Ito, nabili ko lang siya ng naka-sale sila. 9,001. 9,900. Itong isa 9,900 lang din. And then ito medyo mahal, 19. Dalawa sila, 19,000. Ito is 19,001. Tapos tax free kasi pag dala mo yung passport mo, good thing, sabi ko na nga din. Buti na lang, dinala ko yung passport ko. B. Whoa. That's all.